Good day, everyone. Ali's here from Sophie Financial Network. Today is August 31st, 2023, last day of August. So month of August has been finished with a red bar, and monthly candle just finished red hanging man on the top as well. So I'm going to cover monthly analysis tomorrow, which is coming along with the weekly analysis. But today we are just and going as usual with S&P 500 daily chart, and we will see how it goes. So red candle here on the top, and as I said, we are just getting into the danger zone, and fair enough, we had a nice rally to the upside, but today market just finished off lower, and just a closing 45.10, which is not a bad level for bulls, but I think market has been finished the top, and we are just getting back to the bear momentum probably in September. As I said, September is going to be very, very volatile, folks. I don't know how much should I emphasize that one. September can be very, very ugly, and we can just end it up to this area as well. So just be careful on that one. We will see some more volatilities coming up, especially tomorrow morning, which is going to be a first day of September, coming along exactly with NFP numbers. So probably NFP will trigger the downside move, or probably NFP just spiking up and then sharp sell-off after that. So that is going to be a possibility as well. But either case, I'm not going to be a bullish at this stage of the game. I'm very, very concerned about those ones who are just buying the stock right now. We should just be careful about buying stocks. Even if you're a trader, for the short term, probably you will see a bullish momentum, but for the longer term, I should say, based on the weekly chart and also daily chart, I'm just telling you that we are just getting close to kind of like a rollover area, and the 4,500, that's going to be a threshold, as I said yesterday, for bulls. And if we just get close below yesterday open, just the daily chart, that would be kind of like a confirmation that we are just getting down. And possible scenario, we will see some kind of like action here, and then coming down here, and then action, and then going back down to here, which is coming along with September, October volatility. So volatility should pick up, and we will just take care of that one as well. Moving on to, let me just go into, let me just clean up this as well. I'm moving on to Nasdaq, but I just want to, before Nasdaq, I just want to tell you, stochastic momentum wise, we are just getting to the overbought condition. However, we have got a nice hidden divergence as well, negative hidden divergence here as well with the MACD, which is at a certain level to 78, to 69 to 78% Fibonacci. Fantastic level for reversal, and we will see how it goes tomorrow. Moving on to Nasdaq, just coming back to, let me just zoom in here. So we have got a nice volatile session for Nasdaq. We just backtest this area, which is a 15,420, retracing back up. So Nasdaq just closed very, very positive on the entire session. So we didn't have a negative approach. We just coming down pretty sharply in the morning and then hiking back up again. But all in all, I should say this is going to be probably the end of the rally for Nasdaq as well. I know that we are just getting above this trend line, but that can be a fake breakout as well. So as you see here, we've got a very, very nice divergence here in MACD. Price is coming down, momentum is up, and also we've got this momentum index bear reversal is going to happen probably tomorrow or next week. Next week we will have long weekend Labor Day, so that's why volume is light. Especially this week, volume was pretty light today. Just the S&P 500 traded 58 million SPY, and that was kind of like very, very light volume. But all in all, I think volatility is going to pick up, and Nasdaq can have a reversal. If Nasdaq goes a reverse back down tomorrow, that would be kind of like the confirmation for a sell-off is the next phase of the sell-off is gonna initiate probably tomorrow. Dow Jones, which was pretty nicely actually coming along with their analysis. So here is the Dow, and I was telling you about this area. So pretty nice area that I just nailed here at 35,100. Actually, it stretched out a bit, just a shadow. We got into short position for Dow just because I think that Dow is going to lead the downside here and all the way down to here. And also, I think Dow can even get lower as well. So I don't know how far it can go, but probably it's going to test this pivotal point as well, which is going to be 33,500. So 33,500, that's going to be the area that I'm just now looking for a Dow to coming down and probably find the bottom here before a new all-time high, which I think Dow can hit new all-time high probably end of this year or early next year. So still looking for a better performance Dow compared to the other ones, but Dow needs to have a correction before the next move to the upside. Moving on to some individual names, let me bring my chart here because my chart is over there. Just to give me a second. I'm gonna bring my chart here. So right there. Perfect. So here is yield had like a bond yield coming down again. So that's going to be kind of like a negative price action for the yield, but yield needs to break down this trend line. If it goes below, specifically if it goes below 4.70%, then we can say that is going to be very, very ugly price action. And we should see the top here for bond yield, and more sell-off is coming down down the road. So we will see how it goes, but a yield is down, treasury is up. So treasury just to spike up today. A doji bar just getting back to this supply area. So you're just looking for kind of like a consolidation, and tomorrow is going to be a decisive moment. If yield is coming down, treasury break out sharply to the upside. So that would be kind of like, I should say, the beginning of a rally for treasury, probably getting back above 100 level, and we will see how it goes. But I think bond market can be very, very volatile for the next 2 months. Even September, October could be a very, very volatile months for the bond market as well. Gold just upside, just a downtick today. So we got back to this dynamic trend line, reacted to this level. Probably gold can come down here to 1914. That's going to be the maximum stretch for the downside move. And then I should say gold can start its parabolic move to the upside. I should say any pullback or any correction in gold could be a buying opportunity. Make sure watch the video that I just provided for silver yesterday. Silver pattern is very, very bullish, to be honest, and it kind of like scares me because we should see some kind of like a more inflation. I mean, a stagflation or recession is coming because of the precious metals chart is very, very bullish right now. Crude just a very, very nice surge to the upside, getting back to the bullish momentum here. Crude can tackle again to $84. So 84.96, $85, that could be kind of like the first target. After that, I'm not sure. So but we'll see if it breaks out here. So any pullback, it could be bought by buyers getting back to $90 to $91. So still looking for more consolidation before breakout. But if breakout happens, any pullback could be a buying opportunity to $91. Nothing more than that for the short term, but for the longer term, I should say crude can get back to $100. VIX coming down, VIX crash, and probably this is going to be the bottom. So VIX can be a bottom here, and tomorrow, if NFP is getting shaky, I don't know what would be the number, but it depends on the market sentiment. I think this is going to be a nice bottoming formation or nice spike for buying opportunity for a spike to the upside. So we will see how it goes. $20 is going to be the first target for VIX, but VIX can get to this level in a day or two. So this is a spike index, but right now it crashed already from $19 all the way down to $13. So we will see how it goes. Dixie, just a sharp snap back to the upside. It seems like market is getting to the safe havens and dollar is getting a strength. I don't know if it's going to be just a pullback or probably just the early sign for a next move to the upside. So I'm not sure for the Dixie. We will see how it goes. Moving on to the magma indicator, doji bar, just a positive day, doji bar. So it gets to the supply area, magma. I think technology along with semiconductors are getting to the top as we just came up with Nasdaq. Apple, just a nice surge to the upside, 22 cents, getting to this gap window, and I think Apple is finished for the rally, and any kind of like a reversal could be kind of like the confirmation that this move is just a dead cat bounce. Very, very sharp move to the upside, but we can see that same scale is coming down to here. And that would be kind of like my buying opportunity, which is coming around to 155 to 160. But we'll see how it goes in October. Amazon, nice surge to the upside, $2.94, $2.94 to the upside. Pretty nice surge, $100.38 right now closing. Amazon, again, get back to this top information. And I think if you see a reversal, probably this is going to be just a dead cat bounce. Moving on to Meta, doji bar, couldn't recapture SMA 20, just a touch above this and then coming down. Microsoft, $1.03 negative today. So Microsoft is weak, can't get above last Thursday, I should say, ugly candle. So that was kind of like interesting to see. Some stocks can surge up like a Google, some stocks like a Microsoft are lagging. Google 29 cents to the upside, still moving up, but sellers just took control after that, shooting a star on the top. Netflix 99 cents down. Tesla $1.18 up, but still in this supply area. Moving on to the semiconductors, they just pierced above this engulfing candle, but coming back down again, 63 cents up. SOX $3.51 up. SOX a little bit better, but still getting to this supply area, engulfing candle. I should say semis are top. TSM coming down $1.21. AMD 85 cents to the downside. AMD still in a bearish momentum, so any pullback could be a selling opportunity because this one can rip to the downside. And I'm, to be honest, waiting for that one. It's coming. It's coming probably by end of September. You will see this $80 stock. NVIDIA 91 cents up, but NVIDIA after surge yesterday, 2 days ago, and also yesterday, couldn't recapture this engulfing candle. So it's kind of like forming a doji bar here. Even after hours, it goes down. So we will see if NVIDIA reversing back down. I should say any daily close below 440, that can trigger very, very sharp sell-off to here. I'm just looking forward, to be honest, NVIDIA getting back to 350, and the worst case scenario is going to be 259, 273, which is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity. By October, if any of these levels hit, I'm going to just buy with two hands. Texas Instrument coming down $1.17. Lam Research $15 up today. So Lam Research was strong. After hours, it goes down a bit, so close below 700, but still strong price action. Moving on to XLF, which is financials coming down. That is the sector putting pressure on Dow Jones. So XLF is coming down. Seems like the corrective rally is finished, and we are just getting back to the bear momentum. Probably $32.50. That's going to be the case. Moving on to KBE, which is large cap bank ETF. This one is consolidating here. It's pretty nice. We've seen divergence in financial words, KRE as well. So consolidating here, but this consolidation is within this bear flag, and probably we'll see another downtick down the road, especially when Dow is forming the top. JP Morgan $1.84 to the downside. This is triggered the downside already, I think, and it can go lower. JP Morgan can hit to $140. Goldman Sachs, the same, 87 cents down. Bank of America, 37 cents down. Wells Fargo, 25 cents down. So all of these banks are forming a bearish pattern here. Moving on to the gold miner, GDX, 26 cents down. GDX needs to just pull back a bit. I should say this pullback could be a buying opportunity. GDXJ 36 cents down, nothing bad. AEM 63 cents down, but after market it goes higher again. So that's what I'm saying. These pullback for gold miners could be a buying opportunity in Newmont. 34 cents down, nothing bad, nothing good, just a pullback. Franco-Nevada 30 cents down. Bullish consolidation here. Gold Barrick 14 cents down, and this one is just consolidating here and backing and filling. Nothing bad with this chart so far. Moving on to the XLE, which is energy. So this one is forming this top, but at the same time, it's just consolidating. More consolidation, I should say, more prices, higher prices coming down the road. So 92, 93 after this consolidation is coming. I'm not bearish at this sector at all. I know some people are bearish, but I'm not bearish for now. XOP 13 cents up, OIH $1.12 down, Exxon 31 cents up. So Exxon, if it gets above this $112, it can go all the way down to all the way up to 115. Chevron 92 cents up. Not a bad price action though. Oxy still, it's just buyers coming back again, getting back to this dynamic trend line. We need to get close above this candle, 63, 64, and we'll see how it goes with this one. Okay, I think I covered everything. Coming back with new chapter, which is going to be a Bitcoin. So make sure watch the next video, which is going to be a Bitcoin. It's going to be pretty short and quick video, but I'm going to just cover that one in daily analysis as well, just a special video for all those crypto traders as well. So we'll see how it goes. Hope you like it and hope you watch that one. I'm really interested to see your comments. If you like those videos as well, just please do your comments or just to smash the like button as usual. Thank you so much for your support. Have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.